Hi there, welcome to Make It Monday. Today, for Chinese New Year, we will be making tiger faces because it is the year of the tiger. So this is a very simple origami that I will show you how to do. It only takes a couple of steps. And so all you need is a square piece of paper, orange if you want to make them orange tigers, but any color that you like. And it's about 6 inches square. So you just need a square piece of paper to do this craft. Okay, so let's get started. So we start off with your square piece of paper and you hold it like this place it like this in a diamond shape. Then you align this point with the top point right there, and then you make a crease, and then just so you have a sense of where center is, you fold it in half so that the bottom point meets the other bottom point, and then you make your crease. That doesn't have to be a real significant crease because that one just helps with getting your bearings and making everything even. So now we're gonna make the top of the tiger head. So start by taking about, about 3/4 of an inch of paper, and you've got the center line that keeps it aligned. So there you go. Just make a little flat part for the top of the head. And then here's the center line again. So we wanna move it from the center and move this corner up so that's on the other side of that flat piece right there, and that makes the tiger ear. So there you go, make your line there, and then do the same thing on the other side. Start from the center line and fold it up so it meets that little crease right there, and then fold it down. Okay. So there you go. There is your basic shape for making your tiger face. And then you can take a black magic marker and you can draw a little face on there. So we'll start with a little triangle nose and a little mouth, tiger mouth. And then we'll put some whiskers. And then we'll draw little eyes. And then let's put on some stripes. So we'll do a deep stripe on the top of the head and some more stripes. And then on the other side of his head too. I am not doing a very neat job with the stripes, but that's okay because tigers have little tiny stripes all over the place, it seems. And then I'm gonna blacken the tips of his ears, because tigers have blackened tips on the top of their ears. Okay, some more stripes on this side of the face. And there we go. There is your tiger for the Chinese New Year, Year of the Tiger. So there we have. Now we have a little tiger family. We've got 3 people in our family. This one's a little bit smaller, so that must be the little baby. Okay, there you go. Happy Chinese New Year. Have fun making this very simple origami tiger, and have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.